The 2011 Crown Victoria. The Ford Crown Victoria is the iconic American full-size touring sedan. Since production began in 1979, the Crown Vic has been a rear-wheel drive cruising sedan with bench seating for up to 6 and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, cruise control, compass, power door locks, power windows, passenger airbag, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.